I'm going to make potato bread which looks like real potato. You don't need flour, egg, and oven. You might surprise because it's so easy and tasty. Please look for potato bread in the potato bunch. And the answer is none. These are all the ingredients you need. First, boil the potatoes in water. Then, mash the peeled potatoes. I don't have a mashing tool at home, so I'll just use a ladle. I'll have to buy one later. Mash them pressing hard. It's okay to have a little lump, so just mash it up. Add 2 spoons of mayonnaise. Add 2 spoons of condensed milk. And some salt and pepper. Melt about 2 spoons of butter and put it in. Then mix them well. It's a bit thick, so I added some milk. Check the taste of this potato dough, and if it's bland, add more salt. It's delicious when it's well seasoned with salt. Prepare the rice paper and put it in warm water. I'm wearing gloves. Oh, I soaked it for too long, so it became too mussy. Don't worry, you can spread it well. Roughly shape the mashed potatoes to the size of a potato and wrap them in rice paper. First one is done. You have to do this several times. I made 8 of this with 3 potatoes. I'm gonna show you 2 more times. Wipe the water on the plate with tissue. Put the powder made of mixed grains on the plate. I used 2 types of powder. Add some sugar and mix it. Grind pepper and put it in to look like a shell of potatoes. After mixing well, roll the potato cake I made earlier on top of the grain flour and coat it. Then press it with your finger to make it like a real potato. Ta-da! Do the rest in the same way. Lastly, touch them to make it the shape of potatoes. It's done! Do you think it's potato bread or potato rice cake? Let's spread it in half. The funny thing about this bread is people are trying to peel it because it looks like real potato. The softness of mashed potatoes, the chewiness of rice paper, and the savory taste of grain flour goes well together. This is today's snack before dinner. Thank you for watching.